Hey, welcome back to Welcome Home Custom. Today we are going to learn how to assemble this super cute Valentine's Day sign along with the arrows. Hey, so I haven't made a video in a while and I wanted to make a fun video for my newest pattern, which is this cute Cupid and arrow pattern. Some hearts for Valentine's Day, but I did something different this time. I made a quilt pattern and double frame to go over it, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And I also have a couple of accessories too. So I thought I could go ahead and do a video real quick on how to assemble it. So first thing we're going to do is glue on our frame. So this we're going to put on the outer edges all the way around, and then we're going to let it cure for probably about 30 minutes just so that the glue can set up, and then we will start putting together some of the other pieces as well. I am just doing a quick bead of glue all the way around my frame, and this is a frame that is made for this file. This is similar to my double frame for the pattern packs, but this one is made in size specifically for this file. So, and you'll see why in just a little bit, what I did to make it fun and different. So we're gonna have to probably either clamp this down or tape it, because it is definitely squirrely once you add the glue. Okay, so let's do our next part of the frame, which is the inner bit. And it's okay if you've got a little bit of glue coming through, because we're going to cover all that up, so don't worry about that. Just quick putting it together. Whoops, see, just like that. I'm jacking it up. All right. So that piece right there, you're gonna check our corners. Make sure our corners are on there pretty good. That one's good. That one's good. Okay, and it gets easier once the glue starts to not be so slick. I am definitely popping up on that corner, and I think I'm gonna need to weigh down my frame. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry, and we will come back and add the next pieces. Okay, while the pattern pack is drying, we have lots of things that we can glue and put together. So we are going to put together real quick our arrows with our little cute hearts. These are made out of, I used walnut for the base, and then this is mahogany for the feather, and I used cedar for the actual arrow tip point. And you know, I'm loving cedar for Valentine's Day. I think it's like perfect for this season. So these are a very, very quick and easy, super cute thing to assemble while we wait for other things to dry. And let's get this one glued up. Okay. And then we're gonna glue up this one. Run it over a little bit. And this one. So 3 arrows are glued. We'll go ahead and set those aside. Okay, so we are back at the pattern pack, and we are going to start gluing in our quilt pattern. So we have a bunch of triangles and we have a bunch of squares. I used maple, cedar, which is again I think is great for Valentine's Day, and then this is mahogany. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first start with the triangles. We're gonna glue our triangles all the way around. Now I think this could also be a very, very cute paint kit where you provide the scored piece and the customer would glue all or paint all the triangles, and they could paint the frame if they wanted to. But I think it could be a lot of fun. I think it could be a cute quilt. So we're going to space them just a little bit. It's easier when it's still wet to space. Okay? In fact, I think I'm just going to do this. Let's see how this goes. What do you guys think? Are you nervous? I'm a little nervous. Okay, let's see how this goes. So we're just going to place down. We're going to work all the way around. Over here. That one needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So if you see something like that, you can clean it up. I would advise doing it before you start. I'm just using a baby wipe. I may go back and sand this in a little bit. So let's go ahead and put these up top. I feel like the triangular pattern just works with Valentine's Day. Like the arrows, kind of mimics the arrows a little bit, mimics the V in Valentine's Day. It's fun finding those like little hidden reasons for doing things. Okay, so we're gonna line those up so they're tighter. And then we're gonna space these a little bit. And we're gonna see. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So now we are going to just do a dot. In each triangle. And I have no idea if this is going to work, but we will see. So we're going to add our squares, which this is again cedar. All the way around. all the way around. See, now this is, move them down just a little bit. There we go. We're gonna add one here. Got a fun little knot. Add one here. Okay, so for the next bit, I'm not excited about how that one's looking. There we go. There, that's better. Okay. So now for the next bit, we are going to add these mahogany pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and just glue it to the back. And I am setting them in just in the top and bottom. Just in the top and bottom. Oops. One more. Right there. Okay. I'm gonna flip this because I like my wood grain going the same way. Okay, so there's all of that. Now we are gonna add this cute little arrow. So we're gonna just dab some glue on it. I'm gonna just use my finger. I'm gonna take a bunch of this glue off. This is so lightweight, it doesn't need much. We are going to, right down here between these two pieces of cedar. That looks pretty good. And then we are gonna add our letters. So let's dab again. Let's go ahead and see where we wanna put them. Looking from down, I think that looks pretty good. Might move this over just a tad. Okay, so now let's go ahead and glue these down. Again, I'm just gonna dab on the glue. And I'm gonna place it down. Went a little high, but that's okay. Then we're gonna do the O. I know some of you guys are using the 3M stuff. I have not started using that yet, but I know I need to, so I will at some point, I promise. I'm gonna go ahead and dab on more glue. the way around. Ooh, I got a lot of glue on that one. Went a little crazy on that one, guys. Okay, set this down. Look at our spacing. Okay, so this guy is all glued up. I think he looks really cute. Thanks so much for watching. If you need info as to where to get this file along with the materials used, I'll include that in the information below, as well as a link to make the heart-shaped box, which goes along with this collection. Thanks so much for watching.